The easiest way to do that is by creating a Google form connected to the sheet. To do it, open your Google Sheet, then go to the top menu and click Tools. Now click Create a New Form. Google will instantly create a new form, and at the same time, your spreadsheet will create a new tab called Form Responses 1. That tab is where all the submissions will be saved automatically. Now switch to the form and start creating your questions. For example, I'll add a question for name and another one for marks. If you want to make sure people enter the correct type of information, you can add validation. Click the three dots on the question, choose Response Validation, and set it to Number. You can even set a rule like must be greater than 0, so nobody enters an invalid score. Once your questions are ready, go back to your sheet and you'll see those columns already created in the Responses tab. You can also rename the Responses tab. Just double-click Form Responses 1 and rename it to something like Marks. To test your form, click the Preview button in the top right of the form. Fill it out and submit a response. Now go back to the Google Sheet and you'll see the response added instantly. Now when people submit responses, everything will appear automatically in your Google Sheet. And that's how you create a Google form directly from Google Sheets. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.